Hello, my name is Jason Mercer, the Toronto Real Estate Board's Director of Market Analysis. With the month of June behind us and the kids out of school, we can officially close the book on the spring market within the Treb market area. Given the sales results reported during the first 5 months of 2016, it will come as no surprise that we had the best June on record for home sales reported through Treb's MLS system. Greater Toronto Realtors reported 12,794 residential transactions this past June. This result was up by 7.5% compared to 11,905 sales reported in June 2015. The demand for ownership housing in the GTA makes sense. We have benefited from a reasonably strong regional economy over the past year, especially in relation to many other parts of Canada. Evidence of robust local economic conditions includes sustained year-over-year growth in jobs, a low unemployment rate from an historic perspective, and as a result, an upward trend in average earnings. Add to this the fact that a typical home-buying household continues to benefit from very low mortgage rates, and it's not hard to see why we are on track for a second consecutive record year for home sales. However, the strong housing demand notwithstanding, many would-be homebuyers in the GTA are still facing a significant uphill battle when it comes to finding a home that meets their needs. The number of listings on Treb's MLS system was down again on a year-over-year basis in June, with the low-rise market segments, namely single-detached houses, semi-detached houses, and townhouses most affected. This being said, it's also important to point out that the condominium apartment market segment, previously judged in some quarters to be suffering from oversupply, has become tighter this year as well. So when you have a record pace of home sales up against a comparatively low number of available listings, the end result is a rapid pace of price growth driven by strong competition between home buyers. It's not surprising then that the MLS Home Price Index composite benchmark was up by 16% on a year-over-year basis. The average selling price for all home types combined was up by a slightly higher annual rate of 16.8% to $746,546. The single-detached, semi-detached, and townhouse market segments led the way in terms of price growth, but condominium apartment prices were up well above the rate of inflation as well. Obviously, record home sales coupled with strong price growth has garnered a lot of public attention. So much so that the various levels of government in Canada will be meeting to discuss housing policy alternatives in the second half of this year. It is very important that issues impacting the supply of homes for sale, or lack thereof in the GTA, is a key area of discussion. Over the same period of time, Treb will be undertaking and making public results of additional research in the second half of 2016, with the goal of proactively adding to the housing policy discussion. With this in mind, I look forward to speaking with you again at the beginning of August. Thanks very much and enjoy the start to summer.
Brought to you by GTA Realtors.